Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you one single site that made me my first 1 million naira. So before I do that, I want to quickly dress up because I have a friend who invited me for a very important meeting. So I just want to grace it. Though I'm not that kind of outing kind of person, but I want to grace this meeting because she was actually my very good friend. We parted ways while we finished secondary school. So you can see that's many years ago. It's more than 15 years now that we parted ways. So I met her again, and she's actually married to someone very close to me, and I just felt we should reunite again. That's why I'm bracing this. I'm a very busy person. Before you get me to hang out with you, just know that we are hanging out for a very important thing. So guys, I wouldn't want to waste much of your time. I just want us to quickly talk about the site so that you can start working on the site as soon as possible. So just get ready with me. I'm already done preparing. I just want to film the video before I step out. So and this is the outfit I'm going to be wearing. I just want something so casual. I don't want anything so serious. It's just a short outfit, just very short. It's though I'm just that kind of person who don't like wearing something too serious, especially for casual outings. So guys, let's quickly go and dive into the site. In the site, I'm also going to be sharing with you how you are going to create your account and how you are also going to start taking your first task on this site. So please, let's quickly move ahead. So guys, come and join me. I want to take my breakfast so that I can have the strength to talk to you guys. I just want something very simple. I don't like taking something so serious in the morning. So please come and join me. So I don't like taking tea. I don't know if I'm just that only African who don't like taking tea. I don't like taking tea. So I just like a kind of something very soft. So please join me. If you're like me, who don't like taking something strong in the morning, please let me know in the comment section so that I can give you a handshake, because I want to see if there's anyone who is like me, because for me, I don't like taking something so hard in the morning. Same applicable to night. You see morning. I don't like something too hard. Some years ago, when I used to be in the need of a site where I can work and make something reasonable from the comfort of my home, I found a site that can actually pay for you to give your opinion. You give your opinion and you get paid. If you have been with me for a long time, you would have known that I have shared a lot of sites like that. Like if you've been with me from my previous channel, you would have known that I've shared a lot of videos like that, or a lot of platforms like that, where you can give your opinions and you get paid. So that's exactly how this platform I'm going to introduce you to today works. You give your opinion about some company products and services and you get paid. It's something like a research website where researchers bring in questions that they need answers to. So when you and I give our opinions about this product, we are going to get paid. So I don't want to keep you waiting by just talking and talking. I'm going to walk you directly into the site where I'm going to show you how to create your own account and you can start working on the platform. This platform has really helped me. Like I told you, I'm that kind of person with a grass to grace kind of story. So this platform really helped me a lot, and I really want you as well to benefit from it. Now, without talking so much about the platform again, let's quickly dive into the website. Let me show you how you are going to create your own account. So let's go there. And don't forget to tap on the subscribe button, because by you tapping on the subscribe button, you are simply taking your own tickets to become a full member of this channel. So if you really want to become a full member of this family and get updates that I drop on this channel, all you need to do is just to smash the subscribe button, tap on the notification button as well, so that whenever I upload any video like this, I will tell YouTube to notify you first before any other person. And if you found value in this video, please don't forget to tap on the like button and drop your comments as well, so that I can know how you feel about this platform. And if you have questions about it, kindly drop your questions for me in the comment section, and I will be in the comment section for the next 1 hour to answer your questions. And don't forget to share this video to your friends, your family members, your well-wishers that you would want to earn from a platform like this. So let's quickly jump over into the website. Over here is the interface of the platform, and you can see the name here. This is the name. So the name of the website is called User Interview. So if you want to access the platform, all you need to do is just to go into your browser and type User Interviews, and it's going to bring you to this interface. So let's also talk about the things you need to work in this website. You are going to be needing your smartphone or your PC. Your PC is your personal computer, that's your laptop. So if you have a smartphone or your personal laptop, you are okay to work on this platform. And you also need a strong internet connection to work on this platform. So now let's also look at 1 or 2 things you need to know about the platform. This platform pays you through gift card. For those of you who are always scared or worried about PayPal, the good news is that this particular website pays you through a gift card. So a gift card is just like a kind of incentive which you can exchange to your own currency and get a cash. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you are going to be exchanging your gift card, so that you won't have to be reaching out to me all the time to help you exchange your gift card. So now let's also look at 1 or 2 other things you need to know about this website. So this website conducts a lot of different kind of researches, and if you look here, you can see in-person research. This one is over the phone. The in-person research is if you are interested in a kind of research where they are going to come over to your location, like your researcher is going to come over to your location for them to conduct a kind of research in your home or wherever you are. Such researches involve maybe let's say the topic is all about how you keep your home clean or how you keep your kitchen neat. So whenever they are coming for this kind of research, you should have it in mind that they want to come over to your home or your location depending on the topic of the research. So if it's the one that involves them wanting to know about how you keep your home neat, they can come over to your house, look around your house, take videos, see how you keep your home neat, ask you 1 or 2 questions and all of that. If it's the one that requires them hearing from your teenage kids, so they are going to come over to your home. If you are someone that have kids who are already teenagers, so they will ask your teenage kids 1 or 2 questions, and after that these people are going to pay you. So for the over the phone research is the one that you need only your phone to work. So over the phone is the one that most of the time I like to do, because I'm always carrying my phone about, so I see it as being easier for me to work on. Then this online research is the one that will require you to do online. It's just like every other kind of surveys that you are already used to. That's if you are already into surveys. Then let's talk about the study types. We have one-on-one. One-on-one is just like one-on-one can come in form of in-person, it can come in form of over the phone, but most of the time one-on-one is usually done with a PC. So if you have a laptop, this one-on-one is going to be especially good for you, because for one-on-one to occur, it requires your laptop to have a webcam. Webcam is going to enable your researcher to see you while asking you questions, and you are going to be seeing them as well. So that's how one-on-one works. Then for focus groups will require a lot of researchers. That's and it can also be a single researcher or interviewer asking you questions, but there are going to be other people who are also going to be in the focus group with you. It's going to involve a lot of persons, maybe a lot of interviewers or a lot of persons who are being interviewed by the researcher. So now let's look at a multi-day study. Multi-day study will require a lot
of days for you to complete it. It's just like a research that will take like 2 to 3 days or more than that for you to complete it. So now the one I love doing most is unmoderated task. But unmoderated task does not pay that much. It doesn't pay that much. It could pay you like $25, $50, depending. So for unmoderated task, this particular one, no interviewer is seeing you, and you are not also seeing your interviewer. It's just like answering ordinary survey questions. Like you are going to be seeing some questions on the sites that require you to answer them, and once you answer them, you are going to get paid. But if you are someone who can face people asking you questions, you are seeing them, they are seeing you, that means that one-on-one or focus group is going to be good for you. But most of the time, personally, I love to answer unmoderated task questions. And for unmoderated task questions, you can always do them over the phone online. So that's exactly how it was. But if you are going for this one-on-one, most of the time is usually done in person. So that's one thing you should know about one-on-one. Most of the time it can be in person. That's your interviewer is going to be seeing you, and you are also going to be seeing them. So now that you have known one or two things about how this platform works, let me also take you to some other things you need to know about this platform. So if you look here, you see that I'm already logged into this account. I already have an account with them. So that's why I'm not taking you through the step-by-step guide of how you are going to be creating your account. But if you really want to work on this platform, like you really want to work and earn from this platform, I already made a step-by-step guide video on this particular website. So all you need to do is just to join my WhatsApp or my Telegram channel. So just go to the description of this channel. That's my bio. You are going to be seeing the link to my WhatsApp channel. Just tap on the link, join the WhatsApp channel, where I will be dropping a step-by-step guide of how you are going to create your account and start working on this website. So now let's take a look at let's also take a look at how much this platform can pay. So now look at the first one. The first one is $45 for 45 minutes. This is it over here. This is $45 for 45 minutes. And if you look here, you are going to be seeing one-on-one online. That means that this research is going to be conducted online. No one is coming to your house. So it's just going to be over the phone or through your laptop. Most of the time it's going to be through your laptop. So for this one-on-one interview, now you are going to be seeing your researcher. Your researcher is going to be seeing you while they are asking you questions. So if you look here, you can see where it says your experience getting a car released from an impound. So if you know anything about this topic, you can go ahead and apply, and you do your interview, and you will get your $45 gift card through an email. They will send you an email of your gift card, or you can come over to this site and check your dashboard, where you are going to be seeing that you've received payment. But the easiest way is to check the email that you are going to be using to create an account on this website. So you can see it says we are speaking to people who have had their car impounded. So if you have been in this kind of if you have ever gotten your car impounded, that means that you can go ahead and apply for this research. And if you really want to know much about this particular topic, you can just screenshot it, ask ChatGPT to give you more knowledge about this topic. And you can also go ahead, tap on the topic. You can just go ahead, tap on it over here, where you can read more about what they want you to do. So now let's take a look at more of the researches available for me right now. So now, okay, for this particular one, you will need computer with webcam. You can see it here. It requires a computer with webcam, and that's one thing I love so much about user interviews. They always tell you the devices you will need, or everything you are going to need for that particular research. So now if you look here, you see this test is going to be in 4th November, which is some days from today. Okay, that's tomorrow. 4th November is tomorrow. So this test, if I click to apply now, and that means I should be ready anything from tomorrow to do this research. But another thing I also love about user interviews is that even if you are too busy that you cannot be able to take the test tomorrow, you can still reschedule. You can always contact your researcher to let him or her know that you will not be able to attend this interview due to your busy schedule. And if it's possible, let them reschedule it for you, and they can always reschedule it for you. And another thing I also love about them is that you can always pick the time that is convenient for you. Like if I want to take this particular research tomorrow and I'm busy tomorrow morning, all I have to do is to schedule it over the evening when I am going to be less busy. So now let's also take a look at others. So now this is more. You can see this one is going to be paying $25 for 30 minutes. And this is the one I love most. This is an unmoderated task which will be taking place online. So you can see it requires a webcam. But if you don't have a laptop, all you need to do is when creating your account, make sure that you select phone only, your smartphone. Select only smartphone, so that all the researches they will be sending to you will be the ones you can do with your phone. The reason why they are sending me researches with webcam, with that requires devices that have webcam, that's laptop and my phone, is because I have a laptop with webcam and I also have a smartphone, which means that I can do both. So now let's also look at more. So this one is another one which will be paying $25. So let's keep scrolling. So this one now is a survey, just a survey. Like after now, I'm going to be applying for this. It says take a survey about your hobbies and interests. And the sweetest part of all of this is that it's usually topics that you can be able to answer questions on. So you can see where it says take a survey about your hobbies and interests. Just that, and you get your $20. So that's how the platform works. So now, you can see where it says complete a survey about your hobbies and interests. The survey is going to take 20 to 25 minutes of your time. So requirements for this is either your smartphone, your laptop, your tablet, or your computer. So if you don't have a computer, you don't have a tablet, at least you should have a smartphone. So you can use your smartphone to apply for this. And let's also look at more. This one is going to be taking place today. That's 3rd November 2025. So this one is 1 hour PC play test opportunity, which is $20 unmoderated task. This one is also very okay. So now just keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. This one is going to be paying $110 for 120 minutes. Sometimes it might not take up to this. So requirements, device requirements is computer with webcam. So if you have a computer with webcam, that means you can also go for this. It's just a mini online interview. So now let's also scroll. Let's keep scrolling. This is another one. Can you see the amount? So this is another one. So that's just it. You keep on scrolling, and if you want more, you can just come over here, tap on online studies, online focus group, online interviews, and all of that, and you'll be getting more to work on. So that's exactly how this platform works. There are some studies that can even pay you more than this. I've seen studies that pay up to $900 under these user interviews. I've taken studies like that, and that was exactly how I was able to make my first $1,000 on this platform. All I did was to take that test. I just applied casually. I didn't even take it seriously the day I applied. I just tapped on it, applied, and they called me to come and take the test. And the test was just about how I keep my home clean and all of that, my hygiene routine and all of that. So that was just what the test was all about. I took it casually, and all to my greatest surprise, they sent me my gift card, which I exchanged into my own currency. So that was just how I was able to get it. That first one was $900, and I did another one. I think I did like 2 or so. That was how I was able to get my first 1 million naira from these user interviews. So if you really want to earn very high, just make sure that you are applying for like 2 in a day. In fact, I've already made a step-by-step guide on how you can work on this platform. So if you are really interested in working on this platform, just let me know in the comment section. So that's all I'll be saying. And if you found value in this video, please don't forget to tap on the subscribe button to become a full member of this channel. See you in my next video. Bye. And don't forget that my next video, I'm going to be leaking out more secret sites that you are going to work and earn. So I advise you to better subscribe on this channel so that you will always get any updates that I share. See ya.